Maayong adlaw. Good day, my friends. Alden here, and welcome back to a new episode here on Now in PH. Today, we are in the beautiful city of Tagaytay. Join me as I show you all the best places to see, the things you need to do, and of course, the food you need to eat. Sama ka sa akin? Let's go!
Pockets, window shades open, and your tray tables and footrests stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
As part of our new normal safety practices, please retain your personal face mask.
Alright, we have just landed at NAIA Terminal 2. We're gonna hop a taxi going to PTEX. The most accessible bus terminal from the airport going to Tagaytay is PTEX, or the Parañaque Integrated Terminal Exchange. The bus to Tagaytay leaves at every hour, and the ticket is only 120 pesos. It's about a 2-hour drive depending on the traffic. We are in Crosswinds. This is one of the most popular spots dito sa Tagaytay. This is a huge complex with over 20,000 pine trees. Dito sa property, you can see several cafes, restaurants, and most especially mga properties, condos na inspired in the buildings of Switzerland. Crosswinds Tagaytay is a sprawling 100-hectare luxury property that is heavily inspired by the Swiss lifestyle, containing the only Swiss-themed luxury homes in the Philippines. It sits practically beside the Tagaytay Picnic Grove, which you can get to under 5 minutes and is less than 7 minutes from the Tagaytay Rotonda. Okay, sobrang ganda dito sa Crosswinds. Aside from the beautiful pine trees, this is a perfect spot to have your leisurely morning or afternoon strolls. If you're from the south and medyo nalalayuan kayo sa Baguio, well, you can come to Crosswinds, and this is just around 2 hours away drive south of Manila. This place actually reminds me sa Camp John Hay in Baguio. But mas maganda dito kasi mas organized, there are lots of coffee shops around, and sobrang lapit lang niya sa city proper. Here in Crosswinds, you can dine in themed cafes and restaurants. It has lots of trendy hangout spots that mixes classy interiors with tasty cuisines. After a few minutes drive from Crosswinds, we have finally reached one of Tagaytay's must-visits. This is Picnic Grove, and Picnic Grove has been famous in Tagaytay since the 1970s. The entrance fee is 75 pesos each, and the parking fee is 50 pesos. For those wanting to enjoy an amazing panoramic view of the Taal volcano and lake, there are not many better places to do it than Tagaytay Picnic Grove. It's one of the most popular tourist destinations in Luzon. With its built-in cottages and recreational areas, this park is ideal for picnics, gatherings, and all-important family get-together. Picnic Grove is not just all about picnics. There's so much to do in here. It is hard to be bored. Dito sa Picnic Grove, may mga designated picnic areas. Kung nagugutom kayo, may mga restaurants, and there are several rides in the area. picnic grove is definitely the perfect spot for families. Take a look at my background. So this is the room where I'll be staying for the night. This room is called the Chiang Mai room. They only have 7 rooms in this property, and these are inspired from the cities of Thailand. Upon entering the room, you'll immediately see the bathroom over here. And of course, we have a beautiful queen-size bed with this bed runner. Ang ganda ng art, it's inspired from the cities of Thailand. We have a huge TV over here, a vanity mirror, and pwede din tong study area. And over here, we have some storage space, a seating area. And of course, this is the reason why you're staying here in Oriental. This has an amazing view of Tagaytay. Take a look at that view, guys. Grabe. How inspiring. Thank you so much, Miss Edna, for showing me around the property. But this time, let's go out and let's check the rest of the Oriental Tagaytay. Let's go! The Oriental Luxury Suites Tagaytay is the place to be if you want to be away from the busy city life. With only 7 rooms, it is the best place to rewind and relax with your loved ones in privacy. Due to the hotel's cliff-top location, holding business meetings and events also ensures that your party will have privacy and quietness. Each of the 7 beautifully furnished rooms boasts of class and elegance. The interiors stay true to a refined Oriental aesthetic with earth tones and golden hues. You will also be treated to a lavish ambiance as the rooms have plush padded bed headboards and silk runners that are intricately designed with the Asian artistry in mind. Good morning, my friends. Second day here in Tagaytay. Well, technically, nandito tayo ngayon sa town of Nasugbu, and we are here in a beautiful church. This is a retreat place. This place is called Kalaala. Kalaala is a huge complex or a compound, and it has manicured gardens. It has beautiful churches. Let's take a look. Alright, so let's explore the rest of the compound. Lakad-lakad tayo. Masarap malakad dito because maganda yung climate. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning and maganda yung breeze. It's really refreshing. So, this is the Dominican steps. Let's find out kung ano meron sa taas. Let's go. Alright, almost there. Hinihingal na ako. Nako, di ko in-expect na aakyat para dito. Whew! Finally, we made it.
Kalaala Church offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering visitors a chance to admire stunning architecture, explore a peaceful garden area, and experience a rich religious history. Its picturesque setting, tranquil atmosphere, and welcoming community make it a must-visit destination for anyone in Batangas.
The church behind me is apparently always fully booked. This is a popular, a really famous wedding destination or wedding chapel here in Batangas area. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay Mahogany Beef Market. Nandito yung best bulalo stalls in the city. Nasa second floor yung mga bulaluhan stalls. Let's eat! Alright, this is the real deal. If you're craving for bulalo, huwag na kayo maghanap ng ibang lugar. This is the best place for bulalo dito sa Tagaytay. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito pala kadami dito. Daming stalls dito selling bulalo and it's very affordable. Let's check it out. Guys, it's lunchtime. We are here at Marine's Bololohan, located mismo dito sa Mahogany Market in Tagaytay City. Don't dare miss Tagaytay without trying their famous bololo. One good reason why you should check out Bololohan sa Mahogany Market is because yung bololo nila dito is so much cheaper than sa mga restaurants. Imagine this bololo is only 400 pesos and sa ibang restaurant this is like 1,000 plus. So, let's check it out. Tikman natin. Dami. Perfect soup for this perfect cool weather. Taste test. Perfect for this weather. Alright. After a 10-minute drive from Sky Ranch, nandito tayo ngayon sa Twin Lakes Shopping Center. Let's find some coffee shops. And may nakita nung isa. This is Mary Grace. Let's check it out. Right, it's merienda time. We are here in Mary Grace, located dito sa Twin Lakes. This is one of their many branches across the metro. We have here their famous black velvet, and I'm gonna pair this one with my iced latte. And syempre, you shouldn't miss their famous and must-try cheese roll. It's a perfect pair with their hot chocolate. So, ibe-break natin, and it's grilled. Dip natin sa hot chocolate. Huh? Alright, we're here in the happiest place in Tagaytay. We're here in Sky Ranch. We just paid our entrance fee. That's 100 pesos per person. And we're gonna check out the rides. Sorry. Thank you. So this is their main hall. Behind me is their decor for Christmas kasi it's Christmas season. Around here you can find souvenirs from different kinds. Kahit tirik na tirik ang araw, it's not gonna stop us from riding some of their famous rides or attractions dito. Definitely sasakay tayo sa Ferris wheel.
Sky Ranch Tagaytay is one of the most famous theme parks in the Philippines. The entrance fee is 100 pesos and the ride all-you-can day pass is 980 pesos. At dahil ako lang mag-isa, I opted to pay only the Sky Eye or Ferris wheel for only 200 pesos. Fun fact, the Tagaytay Eye, officially known as the Sky Eye, is the tallest Ferris wheel in the country at 63 meters or 200 feet tall with 32 gondolas. It offers a spectacular view of Tagaytay.
And we're inside the Sky Eye. If you're here in Tagaytay, you should not miss this Ferris wheel because it offers a great bird's eye view of Tagaytay. Take a look. See? Why do you need a drone if you have this kind of view? Whew, ang taas na natin. We're almost at the peak, or shall I say at the top of the Ferris wheel. Grabe. Medyo nanginginig ako. Ganda ng view. On my right, as you can see on the screen, that's Taal Lake. And that's Taal Volcano. What a ride! After the Ferris wheel, you can take a walk into their promenade and appreciate this gorgeous view of Taal. Hi! Say hi sa vlog. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching our Tagaytay episode. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you again on our future trip. Cheers!